Bobby and the Big Apple. Bobby loves apples. One day, he goes to find a big apple. He looks under a tree and sees a small apple. He looks behind a bush and sees a medium apple. Then he sees a huge apple on the grass. Bobby smiles and picks the huge apple. He takes a big bite. Suddenly, the apple shakes in his hand. The apple grows legs and runs away. Bobby stands with his mouth open, so surprised. Question and answers. What does Bobby love? Bobby loves apples. Where does Bobby go one day? He goes to find a big apple. What does Bobby see under the tree? He sees a small apple under the tree. What does Bobby see behind the bush? He sees a medium apple behind the bush. Where does Bobby see the huge apple? He sees it on the grass. What does Bobby do with the huge apple? He smiles and picks the huge apple. What does Bobby do next? He takes a big bite of the apple. What happens to the apple in Bobby's hand? The apple shakes in his hand. What does the apple do next? The apple grows legs and runs away. How does Bobby feel at the end? Bobby feels surprised. Vocabulary. Find. Can you find your hat? Small. He has a small dog. Medium. I want a medium-sized shirt. Grass. We play soccer on the grass. Huge. Look at that huge cake. Bite. Be careful when you bite the apple. Shake. Can you shake the bottle? Surprised. I was surprised to see the rainbow.